Is your rent collection process for your roommates a scattered mess of random payments, confused texts, and awkward late payment reminders? Trust me, I've been there. When you're splitting rent and utilities, the last thing you want is for a payment app to create drama instead of solving it. Venmo is an amazing tool, but using it effectively with roommates means setting up a rock-solid, drama-free system from day one. Here is the straight-to-the-point guide I personally use for the best Venmo management with housemates. 1. Setting up the system. The biggest mistake is just paying randomly. You need one designated person and a clear schedule. Designate the payer. One roommate needs to be the sole person responsible for paying the landlord or utility companies. This person is the Venmo receiver. Establish the due date. Set the Venmo payment date for your roommates at least 3 to 5 days before the actual bill is due. This is non-negotiable. Why? Venmo transfers to a bank account are not instant and can take 1 to 3 business days. If they pay on the due date, the payer will be late. Confirm the payment amount. Make sure everyone is clear on their exact portion, including any uneven splits for utilities or room size. Put this amount in a shared document. 2. The Venmo transaction strategy. Clarity is everything in a Venmo note. Use the request feature. The payer should use Venmo's request feature every month. Do not wait for roommates to send the money. Sending a request serves as a formal reminder and clearly defines the amount due. Be specific in the note. Your note is your record. Avoid cryptic emojis or inside jokes for shared bills. A professional-sounding note prevents tax confusion and makes record-keeping easy. For example, March rent, roommate share or utility reimbursement, February electric and Wi-Fi. Privacy settings. Set the transaction's privacy to private. There's no reason your rent payment should be visible on a public social feed. This protects your financial information and your roommate's privacy. 3. Handling utility and shared bills. For fluctuating or smaller expenses, you have 2 excellent options. Option 1. Venmo Groups. Recommended. Use Venmo's built-in Groups feature. You create a group for your apartment, and any group member can enter a shared expense, like an $80 grocery run or a $120 internet bill. The app automatically tracks who owes whom and calculates the net amount, simplifying the final settlement. Option 2. The Spreadsheet Hybrid. If you're old school, use a shared Google Sheet to track all expenses, rent, electric, trash bags, etc. Once a month, the person who is owed the most sends a single Venmo request to settle the final, net balance based on the spreadsheet. This limits transactions and makes budgeting cleaner. 4. Record keeping and tax prep. For rent, treat every Venmo payment like a mini paper trail. Screenshot confirmation. After sending or receiving, screenshot the confirmed payment screen. Name it, for instance, Venmo John Rent March 2025. This is your backup in case of any issues with bank transfers or disputes. The IRS and non-commercial payments. If you are paying rent as a reimbursement to a roommate, it is a non-commercial payment and should not be subject to the IRS $600 reporting threshold. Form 1099-K. Using clear notes like roommate rent reimbursement helps keep this distinction clear, just in case. Following these steps turns Venmo from a potential source of conflict into an organized, automated finance tool for your shared living situation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.